Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the work area and removing monitors, lamps, and cables. This prevents accidents and shows hidden damage. Once done, inspect joints and fasteners to identify loose screws or separated glue lines. Mark each fault. Use a Phillips #2 or the correct hex key to test tightness. If a screw spins without gripping, you have stripped threads. Make sure to measure gap widths and note laminate splits so you can choose between filler, glue, or replacement parts. You now address the structure. Tighten all remaining fasteners in a crisscross pattern so load distributes evenly. If threads are stripped, replace screws with one size larger or use a wood plug and re-drill. For separated joints, apply PVA or epoxy glue into the gap, press pieces together, and clamp per product instructions. A full cure avoids future movement. Once cured, add reinforcement, corner brackets, metal plates, or wooden dowels to restore rigidity, and you finish by sanding repaired surfaces smooth, then apply matching stain or paint to protect and blend the fix. This prevents moisture ingress and improves appearance. Reassemble hardware and reconnect devices, then load test gradually. Start with 10 lb, then 25 lb to verify stability. If you encounter wobble, first retighten fasteners. If that fails, add a bracket or shim the legs to level the desk. One key troubleshooting tip. A persistent wobble often signals uneven floor or missing internal support. Address that next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.